What's up, Moto fam, and happy Thanksgiving. I'm back with your November Battle of the Boxes. I've got the big three once again. I've got Prime Moto, Moto Delivered, and the Brat Box. Before I start opening these, I just want to say that this is a good time to remind you guys that these make fantastic gifts for the holidays, because you don't have to get a year's supply, but you can get like a 3-month supply or even just a 1 month. And everybody's just pleasantly surprised to get one of these boxes on their doorstep every month. And these boxes are not filled with junk, guys. They're filled with things that are going to be useful to whatever rider you're gifting for the holidays. So links are down below. Let's start with Prime Moto. Prime Moto feels heavy this month, guys. Okay, so for Prime Moto, we've got a 34 fluid ounce muck off motorcycle cleaner, the bottle with the sprayer. All right here we have a Tusk grip end cutter set. Like I said, guys, this is all useful stuff you find in this box. So this has got the little dies here. They're basically you're going to put this on the end of your grip, tap it with a hammer, and it's going to perfectly cut out the end of your grip for you off-road guys that like to run bark busters around to the end. So this tool is extremely handy. Right here we have a Tusk bar ends black. So for you guys that want to replace those ends, you can use this die to cut it out, and then you can put this on the ends, and when you fall over, it's not going to destroy your grips. So you've got a tool here for wraparound bark busters, or you've got the bar ends that'll keep your grips from getting destroyed. And then lastly, we have some Torque One racing grip glue. So a couple very useful grip tools, some motorcycle cleaner, and some grip glue. Like I said, this is all stuff you can use. Let's check out Moto Delivery. All right, at the top we have a Fast House 805 sticker, gas and beer. Then we have a Get Hooked Up with Fast House knee brace socks. Normally $40, but if you're a Moto Delivery member, you get them for $20. We've got a Moto Delivered sticker sheet with a bunch of your favorite brands on it: Maxima, 100%, Rhino Power, O'Neill, Fast House 7, TLD, and more. Looks like we have a T here, Fast House, purveyor of good times. Nice. And this is all about Fast House this week, guys. We got a Fast House flat bill, speed, style, good times. This is like a patch, and it's a snapback. We have Rhino Power Mana Bar and a Fast House keychain. Nice. All right, now moving on to the Brat Box. If you notice, this Brat Box tape right here says riders only. Pretty cool. Got the tissue paper with the sticker. Oh dang, take a look at that, guys. So we've got Brat Box stickers with helmets and pistons. Those are cool. We've got our AOMC.MX coupon sticker. We've got a muck off exhaust bung. So if you haven't seen these, everybody knows what the exhaust plugs are, but this one will actually work on 2 strokes or 4 strokes. It's tapered enough to fit about anything. We've got a Renthal crossbar pad in blue. Maxima chain lube. Not a person watching this video that can't use this, I bet. We've got a, oh, I thought this was a microfiber cloth, but it's an Alpine Star beanie. Red, white, and blue, guys. And then here we have a microfiber detailing cloth by Muck Off, the premium one. A couple more stickers in here, and then as is every month with the Brat Box, you're getting the latest issue of Racer X magazine right there, guys. So pretty sweet. Please come down in the comments section and let me know which box is your favorite. What did you like out of each one? What did you not like? Are you subscribed to any of these? Appreciate you. I'll see you next month for December's Battle of the Boxes, and appreciate you watching.